friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video once again we have a look of Zilliqa. Wow, what's the current price up to Zilliqa? What's the pricing of in Zilliqa? And especially in this video I'm talking about the very important update of the Zilliqa, which is absolutely very important for all of you, and that is why I'm telling you that keep watch this video. And if you're new to my channel, so please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of important news. Thank you so much for subscribing ABS Tech channel, friends. Anyways, my friends, let's move on and let's start the video, friends. So friends, the current price of the Zilliqa is 0.16939 USD dollar is the currently price of the Zilliqa. On the other side, if you look the price changes occur in the Zilliqa, so the price change as in and the last 1 hour pricing as a negative, last 1 day pricing is also negative, and last 1 week pricing is also negative, friends. Oh my god, the whole chain is occurring to Zilliqa. As that Zilliqa? As this Zilliqa, my friends? Yes, absolutely, this is Zilliqa. Oh my god, I'm really shocked to see this kind of change occurring in Zilliqa. Unbelievable change occurring in Zilliqa. What's the reason behind this fast? Let's see, my friends. Let's see the price chart. Oh my goodness, absolutely they are going wrong. The Zilliqa coin are going wrong. Wow, I'm very shocked to see. That's a surprise news, but I'm very sad. What's going on this time, Zilliqa? Don't worry, my friends. Don't worry, be patient and hold. Anyways, if you look the prices occur in the Zilliqa, so negative 11.41% changes occur in the Zilliqa in the last 1 day. And the highest price of the Zilliqa is 0.203831 USD dollar. On the other side, when they start pumping again, so now they are in the falling mood, I know. So at this time they have no idea to take a jump, but friends, I think that they fast down for a few hours. After a few hours, that is confirmed that the Zilliqa token coin start jumping. After a few hours, there is a lot of chances to they take a jump, friends. We can't see about the future, but that's my prediction, that's my opinion about Zilliqa, that after a few hours they start jumping. Anyways, what's your opinion, what's your prediction? Also tell me in the comment box. And kindly friends, once again I request all of you that please click the subscribe button and like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos. Thank you so much for subscribing ABS Tech channel.